This is Nehaida and Rexshell, two best friends who call each other as GirlyPops. But hold on, we have a special guest today, the one and only Prince of Nehaida.
Seriously? Can we finally start the vlog?
Oh, calm down, drama queen. All right, fine.
Hi guys! Welcome to GirlyPops Channel!
So today, we're going to be having an experiment about the effects of osmosis on
Potato!
So basically, we're going to observe and understand how osmosis affects the
Movement of water in and out of cells when placed in different concentrations of solutions.
So, without further ado,
let's get started!
Okay, so these are our materials. Potato,
We also need knife and cutting board. Next is the measuring scale for measuring the mass of the potato strip.
So instead of beakers or cups, we have wine glass.
Yes,
Why?
because
We are expensive. Joke lang, ilang kita na kami.
Okay, next we have
Water.
water, dyan mismo.
Yes.
Yes. We also have salt. This is the salt.
And this is the
Salt.
sugar.
Here.
This is the sugar, guys, as you can see.
Yes, this is
Yeah.
the salt. We also have
Ruler,
ruler for measuring
the length
the length of the...
potato strips. Yes.
Next, we will have timer. We have
Later.
our phone here.
Yes.
And
labels. Here.
labels are important. Okay?
Yeah, go.
Next, we have paper towels. And we also have measuring cups.
for later.
Yes, for the concentrations of the water. Okay, so let's now move on to our procedure. So for our first step, we are going to
Cut equal size strips of potato. So we're going to cut it
Rexel is going to be the one
because
cutting it.
she doesn't want to cut it. So I'll
just
be
don't
the
know.
okay.
Go
I'll be the
back.
one to cut, even though
Okay.
I don't know how.
Okay,
Sure.
so go lang.
Oh my
So we will be
Oh.
cutting it 5 cm long or 5 centimeters long. It will be
Is this the right thing to do?
It will be centimeters versus
No,
centimeters.
habot siya. Oh,
OA. 5 cm, like this lang.
oh, you know I
It's
love
a mo.
potatoes. Yeah. Oh my god.
So we can make fries?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Diyan sa fries na naman dyan. Oh my god, go.
Okay, so we have here 5 cm. Just like this. Like that. Super small, diba? Okay. 5 cm long. How are you going to ano? And then 5 lang. Like that. Yes. Perfect. Perfect!
Okay, we're going to cut it. No.
2, 1.
Okay, it's number 1. Patling nga iman eh.
1. Wow, it's so nice. Go. So, we're done with the procedure 1. Cut equal size strip of potato. So,
Here, we
Go.
have 5 centimeter long potato strips.
okay. So, for our next procedure, we are going to
Measure and record the initial mass and length of these strips of potato. So, our first potato, we named Dora. Dora the Explorer will be going to water later, and yeah.
Okay.
And its initial length is 5 centimeters long. We will put it in the measuring scale to measure its initial mass.
And for its mass,
We have 3 grams and initial mass.
Okay,
Right?
next potato.
Next potato, we named Sniper. Sniper will be going to the sugar later, and its initial length is 5 centimeters long as well, and its initial mass will be 4 grams.
4 grams. Okay, for the last potato,
We have Princess. Princess will be going to the salt later, and its initial length is also 5 centimeters long, and its initial mass is 5 grams. So that is the measurement of the 3 potato strips.
okay, so now
Now,
let's move on to our
Third procedure.
So for our third procedure, we are going to prepare different solutions. So, and that solutions are
Sugar and salt. And we have pure water. So basically we have pure water, no salt, and sugar solution. We have 5% sugar solution and 10% salt solution. So we're going to mix sugar. We will use 1 tablespoon of sugar since we have 120 ml of water in our glass wine here. So it will be 5% concentrated solution.
So 120 ml water in all glass, right?
Yes.
And for the sugar, 5% is
1/2 tablespoon.
1/2 tablespoon.
Next, for the salt,
For our salt is 10% salt
solution,
would be
2 teaspoon
2
Yes.
teaspoon of
salt.
salt. So 2 teaspoon is equal to 10%,
Yes.
right?
In
Okay.
120 ml of water.
So we have here 1 and
There's enough.
2. So we are mixing it right now.
Use some more.
So now we have our different solutions. We have water, pure water, 0% salt, 0% sugar. It's pure water.
And we
Next.
have we have 5% sugar solution and 10% salt solution.
Okay, so we're done with our third procedure. Next, let's move on to fourth procedure. So fourth procedure is place one strip in each solution.
So we will going to place
So
Dora.
Dora is 5 centimeter long and 3 grams. Initial measurement.
Mass. Yes.
Okay, go.
Dora is already swimming in water.
Next is second potato. Second potato is
Sniper.
Sniper is 5 centimeters long.
And 4 grams. So
This is the initial
mass and measurement.
Okay,
And lastly,
for the third potato, initial
have
length Princess is 5 centimeters long and
5 grams.
5 grams. So we're done with our fourth procedure, and for our fifth procedure, we are
We're
going to
leave the strips in the solutions for a set period of time. So basically, we're going to leave them for 1 hour. So we were going to wait 1 hour for this.
here.
Okay, here.
This is salt,
sugar
sugar.
and 100% pure water.
Okay, so we will be right back, and
Yes.
let's wait for 1 hour.
Yes. Thank you. Later again.
Later again. See you later. Bye.
1 hour later.
Hi guys, we're back. So this is us after 1 hour, and for our sixth procedure, remove the strips Gently dry with paper towel and...
Measure the final mass and length of each potato strip.
Okay, so we have here water, sugar, and salt. So one by one.
We're going to get each potato strips.
Okay, go.
Here is the water. We're going to put it here, and we're going to
Pat dry.
pat dry it first.
Okay, so let's pat dry.
I'm gonna get the label so we can know.
Okay, here.
Okay.
Next is the sugar. So we are now done with our sixth procedure. Remove the strips, gently dry with paper towel, and measure the final mass and length. So this is now here. We have here, this is the salt, water, and sugar. Okay?
So now we're going to measure its final or change in mass and change in length. So we're going
Let's
to
start
begin.
with water.
Yes.
Okay, so for the first potato, water, its initial
mass or it change in mass. Initial mass is 3 grams.
3 grams.
And change in mass is 3 grams as well.
So it did not change, the mass did not change, and let's check the
And
length.
The length has changed. Okay, we're gonna start here. Ooh, it shrinked a little bit.
I think you're going to start here.
Start there.
Go.
Start here. Oh, it's still the same. Still the same.
Yeah, it's still the
5
same.
centimeters.
You put it.
long.
So for the initial mass, 3 grams. The change in mass also 3 grams. For its length,
The initial length is 5 centimeters long, and the change in length it's still 5 centimeters.
so still the same.
yes.
Okay.
So what
Next,
about
let's move on to.
the sugar?
The
So
sugar.
We're going to put it here.
Okay, go.
Ooh.
What happened?
So, the second potato, its initial mass was 4 grams. Now, its change in mass is 3 grams. It decreased to 1 gram.
Okay, so
For the
this
length,
is the sugar, right?
yes. For
So
the
it
length,
decreased 1 gram.
yes. I'm going to measure
From-
the length.
4 gram to 3 gram.
Still the same.
See? Okay, so here
Still the same.
it's still the same.
The length
Okay.
before was 5 centimeters long, and still the length is 5 centimeters long.
Yeah, it's still the same. So the length did not change, but
However, the mass did change, and it decreased to 1 gram. 4 grams to 3 grams.
okay. So we
Then,
have 5 centimeters.
going to proceed to the salt.
The last
which is
potato.
our princess.
Salt. Okay.
Put the salt here. Ooh, okay.
It's amazing.
The initial mass of the salt was 5 grams, and now its change in mass was 3 grams. It decreased to 2 grams. Oh my god, this is so cool, guys.
Yeah, it's so cool. Okay, now
Now we're
let's
going to-
check the change in length.
Yes. I hope it changed a little bit. Oh my god, it did.
Oh my god, it
It did, guys.
Oh.
4.5.
Okay, so let's take a picture.
It's 4.5 centimeter.
Here.
Right? Oh my god, the salt
This is so
solution has
amazing.
done a great change to the
Yes.
potato
It's
strip.
4.5 centimeters. Okay, so let's conclude. Go.
For our first potato, its initial mass, which is the water, its initial mass was 3 grams and initial length was 5 centimeters long. While our second potato, which is the sugar, which we called sniper, its initial mass was 4 grams and its change in mass has turned to 3 grams, while its initial length is 5 centimeters and change in length still 5 centimeters. Amo man gyapon dara sa water. 5 centimeters man ang length na before, and the change in length was still 5 centimeters.
So water did not change
at
in both
all. Yes, in
length
both
and gram
and mass.
and mass. Length and mass. Okay.
Okay, for the last one, the salt, which we called Princess, its initial mass was 5 grams and change in mass was 3 grams.
So it decreased
to 2 grams.
2 grams.
Yes, and the length, initial length was 5 centimeters, and the change in length was
4.5 centimeters.
The experiment showed how osmosis affects potato cells when placed in different solutions. In plain water, the potato strip stayed almost the same because there was no big difference in concentration between the potato and the water. In sugar solution, the potato becomes slightly flexible as some water left the cells. In the salt solution, the potato turned very soft and bendy because much more water moved out of the cells. This proved that osmosis causes water to move from areas of low solute concentration to areas of high solute concentration. And the greater the concentration difference, the greater the effect on the potato's texture.
So the potato got dramatic thanks to osmosis. And the lesson? Big differences cause big changes. Same in science, same in life.
This is where our osmosis experiment ends.
And I hope that you learned something about our experiment. And this is GirlyPops Channel! Goodbye!
Bye!
See you again! Bye!
We actually had
Potato
fries.
Oh my god, we're going to eat it na.
bye! Thank you guys for watching. I love you, Ma'am Jessa.
Ma'am, love ko ikaw.
Yum.
Wait, bloopers time. But I'll warn you, extreme laughter ahead.
Okay, next, we have...
Sige lang, go lang. Go lang. Cut ko lang.
Basta yan, kaya kalimutan
Okay. Its initial mass is, basta her initial mass is 5 centimeter long.
Initial mass.
Ay, ano naman? Di ba? Ay, ikaw na lang ang bal. Dahil ayoko na. Ikaw na lang ang bal. Ikaw na lang ang bal. May ipas lang ko. Kaya gadali mo. Gadaliran kayo. Tawa pala. Chuwaran.
Sakit mo ko na.
The first one, we named Dora.
Nagluya ka.
Yeah.